soaring high. Milo and Lily look up and see things that fly so wild and free. Oliver boards the airplane bright, buckled in for a faraway flight. Engines roar and wheels lift up, flying high. Oh, what luck! Kai climbs into a helicopter spin. Blades go round, the fun begins. Up it lifts straight off the ground. Whirring blades make a happy sound. Max climbs aboard a rocket tall. Countdown starts. 3, 2, 1. Blast off now into the stars. Rockets carry us to Mars. Daisy floats in a balloon so grand, drifting gently over the land. Colors bright against the blue. Balloons drift slow, a peaceful view. Up, up, up into the sky. Planes and rockets soaring high. Milo and Lily look up and see things that fly so wild and free. Poppy's kite dips and dives. Colorful tail, it comes alive. String in hand, she runs with glee. Kites fly high for all to see. Jane folds a paper plane with care, tosses it gently into the air. Looping and swooping far it flies. Paper planes soar through the skies. Birds flap wings and soar up high. Feathered friends across the sky. Milo watches them glide with ease. Nature's flyers ride the breeze. Lily's drone goes whirring past, flying quick and flying fast. Camera high to see the view. Drones can fly the whole sky through. Up, up, up into the sky. Planes and rockets soaring high. Milo and Lily look up and see things that fly so wild and free. At the airport, planes line up neat, ready now for takeoff treat. Oliver watches with eyes so wide. I wanna take a plane ride. Above the clouds so soft and white, flying high, what a sight. Sunshine sparkles all around. Flying high, the best sound. Wheels touch down, the landing smooth. Everyone claps in a happy mood. Safe and sound, the journey's done. Flying high was so much fun. Up, up into the sky. Planes and rockets soaring high. Milo and Lily look up and see things that fly